I am very excited that it's almost spring. I've been buying all the seeds everywhere. My husband's erecting a greenhouse in the backyard, and now I'm getting this little kit. Let me show you everything that you get, and then you can decide if it's something you want. These gloves are small. Is this a child's kit? I don't know. But these gloves are actually small, blowing my mind because gloves never fit me properly. I am very petite, and I have tiny little baby hands, and these fit perfectly. They're quite comfortable, too. Little tiny bit, they look like maybe they're canvas, not positive on that. And then the grippy bits right here, a little bit of elastic right there to hold them on tight, but you don't even need it. If you have large hands, these are not going to fit you because they fit me and my not my perfect hands, they fit my tiny hands perfectly is what I was trying to say. I love the yellow. It's so springtime. You get this little bag. Isn't this adorable? You're gonna be able to put all of your tools in here, everything you need. You can put some on the outside. Love this. And then on the inside, you can carry your bag of dirt, whatever you need in there. Put your gloves in there, and then it Velcros here. Now, it has kind of a funky smell right when you open it, so be aware of that. Isn't it pretty? Oh, I love it. You get this really fun yellow spray bottle, which is odd that I'm saying it's fun, but I'm actually was looking for a spray bottle a little while ago and didn't have one, so I'm glad to have that. Let me show you all of these little tools. I love that they're yellow. I know I already said that, but yellow is so springtime. Pink is my favorite color, but I love that these are yellow just because it's springtime. Now, these are great for pruning rose bushes, cutting off clippings from plants. If you don't have one, then you can get scissors, but these are so great to have, and I appreciate that they come in the kit. You unlock it like that, and you can chop off a finger, so be careful. This probably isn't best for kids. I said, was this a kid's kit? But I hope this isn't a kid's kit. This is pretty lightweight, but you can feel that it's good quality and sturdy, and it's going to do its job, and we'll test that out in just a second. You get this little trowel. These are metal. These aren't plastic. This little diggy thing, digging out weeds. This little fork for eating. Just kidding. This is more planting stuff. You actually get two trowels. This one's bigger for if you're digging you dig the hole with this one, and then you can use this to pat the sand back down pat the sand back. We're not digging with sand, soil. Pat the soil back down because of the way it's curved. It's good for patting, especially if you're doing potting. And then you get this, which is a tiny baby rake. And all of these can go in the bag. Let me put them in there. They have these little strings right here, so it's elastic. So you can put them underneath the string if you're afraid they're gonna fall out, which they probably will if you're laying it on the floor. But I think if you're hanging it up in your barn or your patio or wherever it is where you're gonna do your gardening, I think it'll be okay. This one I put under there because I couldn't get the heavy part to go down. So putting it securely in there probably is the best way. And then you've still got so much room inside. Let's take these and go prune some roses. I'm going to do this one-handed because they are good for one-handed use, but of course you'll have two hands. You're not recording. It's very easy to slide this off because it's smaller. My hands fit on this nicely. I have had some that are so giant that I can barely even get them closed, and they're bouncy like kids' scissors. But if there's too much of a pressure on it, little tiny weak hands like mine won't do it. But this is perfect. Now, if you have arthritis, maybe not, but if you just have a little bit of grip strength issues, this will be fine with that. I think that most people will be able to use this. Now, watch how easily this does. With just one hand, I was able to snip that. Oh, I broke it. I didn't want to break it. Oh, I didn't even get the right piece. Here we go, right here. So easy. These are great. I'm really pleased with these. Oh, I just stuck myself. I think the whole kit is perfect for smaller hands. The gloves and these are perfect. I don't say that very often because small hands make everything just a little bit more complicated. If you have small hands, you're gonna love these.